Look at this, guys. Let me turn this. Ah, it is so perfect. It is beautiful. I'm definitely gonna be fangirling out because this is my first time in Paris. Of course. But we got a boat tour, so we're gonna go do that right now.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard Bateau Parisien. During our cruise, we are going to sail on their 22 bridges and we will discover the main monument here in Paris. Principal monumento de París. Si quieren escuchar el comentario, es posible desde sus smartphones descargando el código QR de crucero. Les deseamo un muy agradable crucero. Prima della fine del nostro crucero, vi ricordiamo inoltre che non è permesso fumare su questo battello. Grazie per la vostra comprensione a tutto l'equipaggio. Vi auguro una piacevole crociera.
Views are amazing.
On the left of the bridge, you can see the huge glass roof.
We should do the dinner?
On the left, a huge glass roof of the Grand
I don't know. I was thinking about doing it, but I heard the food wasn't great. But listen, you live once. We might as well just do it.
Inaugurato nel 1900. Davanti a noi il ponte di Parigi. A sinistra il ponte grande, tetto di vetro del Gran Palais. Inaugurato.
I thought when you were going under the bridge, you have to duck.
It's very high. You're fine. You're safe.
Découvrons le pont Alexandre III, inauguré en 1900 pour célébrer l'amitié franco-russe. This is the Alexander III Bridge, inaugurated in 1900 to celebrate the friendship between France and Russia. Vamos a pasar bajo el puente Alejandro III, inaugurado en 1900, para simboleggiare l'amistà entre Francia e Russia. Questo è il ponte Alessandro III, inaugurato nel 1900 come simbolo di amicizia tra Francia e Russia. Guillotine lance de la Révolution française. In front of us, it's the Concorde Bridge. This bridge was partly built with the stone from the Bastille, the royal prison destroyed during the French Revolution. On the left of the bridge, you can see the Concorde Square. In the center of the square, there is the obelisk from Luxor, which was given to the French king in 1830. The obelisk stands at the very same place where the guillotine was set up during the French Revolution. Delante de nosotros el puente de la Concordia, a la izquierda para ver la plaza de la Concordia, en el centro se encuentra el obelisco de Luxor, ofrecido come regalo al re di Francia nel 1830, e con voi il ponte della Concordia, a sinistra la piazza della Concordia, nel centro si trova l'obelisco di Luxor, offerta dal re francese nel 1830. salle devant nous, on voit le monument avec la coupole verte qui s'appelle Hôtel de Salles. Son architecture a inspiré la Maison Blanche à Washington. On the right, after the footbridge, you can see the monument with a green dome. It's called Hôtel de Salles. Its architecture inspired the White House in Washington. Pueden ver después la pasarela delante de nosotros. El edificio con la cúpula verde se llama Hôtel de Salles. Su arquitectura inspirada en la Casa Blanca en Washington. A destra, l'Hôtel de Salles con la cúpula verde la sola.
It's beautiful.
La Casa Blanca a Washington. Toujours à droite, c'est l'ancienne gare d'Orsay. Inaugurée en 1900, désaffectée en 1939, la gare devient un musée en 1986, consacré à l'art du 19e siècle, notamment à la peinture impressionniste. On the right is also the former Orsay railway station, inaugurated in 1900, abandoned in 1939. It became a museum in 1986. It is dedicated to the art of the 19th century, for example, Impressionism.
Yeah.
A derecha la antigua estación de trenes Orsay, inaugurada en 1900, se convirtió en el museo en 1966 y está dedicada al arte del siglo XIX, por ejemplo, a la pintura impresionista. Le musée d'Orsay, l'un des premières résidences du roi de France. Ici, à gauche. On the left of the Royal Bridge, you can see the Louvre Museum, one of the main residents. It was one of the main residents of the French kings. El Louvre a la izquierda, después el puente royal delante de nosotros. Qui davanti il ponte royal, a sinistra il Louvre.
I thought now it turned into a museum. Yeah, it was abandoned.
L'un des
Now
plus
it's a
grands
museum.
musées au monde, il mesure 700 mètres de long.
It's pretty.
Il contient 7 kilomètres de salles et galeries. The Louvre on the left is one of the largest museums in the world. It is 700 meters long.
Wow.
And
It is beautiful.
has
700 meters.
L'Académie française. On the right is the Institute of France, where the French
Of course.
language
I bet
was
it's like
created.
600.
Pueden ver a la derecha l'Instituto de Francia,
Because it has a lot of windows and that means a lot of windows.
Nous arrivons à présent dans le cœur historique de Paris. Dévenons vers la gauche l'île de la Cité. Paris est né sur cette île il y a plus de 2000 ans. Les premiers habitants les Parisiens ont donné leur nom à la capitale, Paris. This is the historical heart of Paris, as you can see in front of the boat. Towards the left, Cité Island, where Paris was born over 2,000 years ago. The first inhabitants were called the Parisiens and gave Chinois given in Latin called the Latin district. A la derecha el barrio latino se desarrolló en el siglo.
Hi guys, we are in Paris. Bonjour. I am so excited. Milesy is using the bathroom somewhere. I am just doing the most. Ryan is my photographer. Listen, I brought the boys to Paris for a reason, okay? They gotta do work for me. But I'm gonna take you guys around today. I'm so excited you guys are hanging with us. First thing, let's go see the Eiffel Tower. And then we had a family photo shoot. It's not going according to plan. I forgot my blazer, but listen, this is Paris. We're gonna make it work. Let's go. Come on, photographer, what are you doing? Keep coming. I give birth to a photographer working out. Upon a cute little cafe in Paris. So we're just here chilling. I'm waiting for my hot chocolate. I'm getting a bouquet custom made. I should show you guys my bouquet. She's actually working on it right now. It's a cute little cafe. She's gonna be creative and create me something very nice. Look at it. It looks so pretty. No, the chocolate muffin. No, those one. Yes. Oh, guys, my kid is so cute. He goes in on me today. Ryan is treating me in Paris. Life is good. Ryan, do you have money? Okay. Be careful, baby. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
That's in the store, right? It's okay to put it wrapping it in that?
What?
The flower.
Let me see. Yeah, that's perfect. That's perfect. I'm gonna be here for 3 days. So right now we're going to probably go to Cafe du Bar, and then go to the Louvre.
You don't have it, right?
Do you have any recommendation? What do you want us to see? What's the must see in Paris?
Okay, everything.
I like you. You're just fabulous. I love it.
Okay, now you are next to the Eiffel Tower.
We're next to the Eiffel Tower. Where do we go? We already went to the Eiffel Tower.
Oh, you went?
Yes.
The Louvre is beautiful.
Okay. Oh, thank you. Give me a hug.
Yeah.
Thanks for treating me. I appreciate it. Yeah. Yeah. Did you hear what my MC said? Yo! We just had dinner. When I tell you guys, it was bad. Well, I didn't expect much. I heard really terrible things about the food here, so it's all good. Ryan, how will you rate the food?
10 out of 10.
Really? We had burger.
Burger was still good.
Ryan, sometimes you need to order something else. You know what? I think that's my fault. I ordered something that I didn't know. Probably that's why it wasn't good. But with me, when I travel, I like to try something new, but it was not good. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. Another day in Paris. I apologize. This vlog is going to be so, like, all over the place.
Another day.
But it is Sunday. I'm heading to a coffee shop. Let's go. Let me take you guys around. The line is long. Guys, when you see these things on Instagram, do you see how long is this line? Awful. I am not staying. I am going to be leaving. Because in no way. Guys, I was trying to give you guys the Instagram content, but the line at this cafe is ridiculous. So I'm substituting and picking something else. It is not as pretty, but listen, it's going to do. So I'm gonna grab coffee and then we're gonna walk around and then we're gonna go to the Arc de Triomphe. And then Ryan wants to see Mona Lisa.
Yeah.
So yeah. Guys, I've been in Paris for 3 days and honestly this is the best food I've had. Everything else terrible. That's why I came to visit my people. African food never disappoints, but especially Senegalese food. Oh my god. It is so good.